On the Rubrics page, select Create Rubric. Type a title and optional description. Select Add Row to add new criterion to the bottom of the grid. Select Add Column to add a new level of achievement to the grid. Next, choose a rubric type from the menu. You can select No Points to provide feedback only, Points or Point Range, or percent range. Next, type a point or percentage value for each row and column. Type a description for the criteria and the associated level of achievement. Each cell has a 1,000 character limit. When you finish creating your rubric, select Submit.
Okay, then this is briefly how to create a rubric, as we can see here. You can create multiple rubrics in your course. Rubrics consist of rows and columns. The rows correspond to the criteria. The columns correspond to the level of achievement that describe each criterion. Rubrics have 3 rows and 3 columns. After you create rubrics, you can associate them with content. For example, here, rubric, this is the criteria. This row is purpose and focus. And this is the level of skills in each column. We have here 3 columns: novice, competent, and distinguished. You have to put points, for example, or percentage. For example, here novice will get 15 points. Here proficient 20 points. Here distinguished 25 points. Development of idea, for example, 15 points, 20 and 25. Organization, he will get 50, 20 and 25. Scientific language, for example. Then this is the criteria. You can create this criteria. You add this criteria to your rubric. It depends what you are grading and what is the purpose of your grading. You can put many more levels of skills if you wish and change this, not only 3, maybe 4. It depends on you. Now, associate a rubric. Associate a rubric. You can associate rubrics with this type of content. You can associate a rubric with assignment, as we will see now, with essay, short answer, and response. For the essay exam, for short answer exam, and 5 response exam. With wikis and with discussion board and the threads. We will see this video.
You can associate rubrics with gradable content items. Rubrics can be associated with assignments, blogs, journals, wikis, discussion forums and threads, and essay, short answer, and file response test questions. To begin, access a content area and edit a content item. In the grading section, access the Add Rubric menu and choose one of the options. You can select a rubric from those you've already created. You can create a new rubric, or you can create a new rubric by using an existing rubric as your template. Please note, multiple rubrics can be associated with an item. Rubrics can be designated as used for grading or used for secondary evaluation. If you associate multiple rubrics, you can only use one as the primary grading rubric. Next, select a visibility option for the rubric. You can keep the rubric hidden from students, show the rubric to students with or without percentage values, or show the rubric only after you finish grading the section. Finally, select Submit and you are finished.